Good morning. I'm going to have a Baroque boost, that back left behind, because I did not sleep well. I think I did sleep a lot, but I had some pretty whack dreams about curls. It took me ages to get to sleep as well, because you can't get comfortable. So let's do this and see what's happened. That is not what it looks like in my dream. Needless to say, I am not a professional. Well, it certainly looks a bit more styled. Whether it was worth the sleep, I'm not sure. Perhaps for a special occasion, not just a random day of the week. In the end,